Nowadays people open more and more packages every day. Internet shopping, food delivery, unboxing videos for example. To meet this need, Victorinox created a specific box opener tool for those people who don't want to use the blade from their Swiss Army knife. So in case you want to save the blade from your Swiss Army knife but you don't have available a specific box opener tool, let's see an alternative way to use your Swiss Army knife as a box opener tool just in case. So in case that you want to use your Swiss Army knife as an alternative box opener tool, just unfolding the scissors like this, then open the scissors all the way down and close it back like this. Then grab the knife only from the handles and keep away your fingers from the sharp edge of the scissors. Let's test it to see how it works. These boxes, it's the most difficult to open it, to unboxing it, because the plastic, it's too hard. But I think that it works as well. Yeah, it works. Of course, it is possible to use any size of Swiss Army knife as an alternative box opener tool with the same way. I'm holding almost vertical the sharp edge of scissors because I don't want to damage the item inside in the box. I am sure, my friends, that you're gonna wondering why to use the scissors as a box opener tool, because there is a blade. This idea is for the people that don't want to use the blade as a box opener because they want to save the blade. Also, there is a possibility, if you put a lot of pressure on the blade, it is possible to close on your fingers, but the scissors stay in place as well, lock in place, not any danger to close on your fingers. Also, the curved shape of the scissors, sometimes it cuts better the corners of the box. But anyway, this is an alternative way to use your Swiss Army knife as a box opener. Test it, and if you like it, you keep it. If you don't like it, use your blade as a box opener tool. Also, this idea could work with some Leatherman multi-tools. You're gonna find a video about in the description box below. So my friends, this was today's video. I hope to join it. Tell me your opinions about. Until the next one, stay safe. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.